Nice. The box smells amazing, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. Foodgasm, my goodness, it smells amazing. Oh man. You don't have to put your nose in it to. Oh man. Having a foodgasm, oh my goodness. Oh, dude, it smells amazing. Oh my goodness. The box smells amazing when you open it, but when you... Have you ever smelled bread this good? Smells amazing. Oh my goodness. Hi. And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. I don't know. Comment down below to let me know, but give them a try. You have 35% off when you use my coupon of just88. You just have to order it for yourself to give yourself the shot to smell it with me. Yeah? Oh my goodness.